Hello people, today we are going to open these two package cards. They come from McDonald's, which you can see here. Here's the McDonald's logo, and let's get to the point and see what's inside. I'm super curious. Okay, maybe. Okay, I handle it. Okay, package of cards. There are 4 cards inside. And the next thing is, okay, we got 2 stickers. No, we got many stickers. Okay, that's even better. And this is a poster or something like that. Scan to play. I guess you have to. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Put the stickers inside in this poster. For example, this one goes here. Okay. The most interesting thing here are these cards. So let's see them. Okay. And what we've got here. This one looks nice. I have to say something was very creative. Someone who is the author of this card graphic. Okay, but generally we haven't found anything very special. So let's go to the second box. It's really not that easy to open this in my gloves. Maybe here in the back. Okay, I'm so proud of myself that I have done it. Okay, another poster. I hope this is the different one, or yeah, this one is different. Oh, it looks cool. I only don't like these creases, so I'm not going to put it on my wall, but besides that, it looks nice. And we have to open the cards. Yeah, we already have this one. And this one. Okay. I'm not that happy. It's hard to judge that it's, I would say the cards and the entire project with getting Pokemon to Happy Meals is like quite so because of the cards. Nothing unique. Bye, take care, and subscribe me somewhere here.